end of this exercise, you shall be able to solder copper conductor joints using a soldering iron and resin coat solder. Solder a lug in a copper cable with the help of a blow lamp.
Requirements: tools and instruments. Wireman's hand tool kit, 1 set. Steel rule of 300 mm, 1 number. Diagonal cutting pliers, 150 mm, 1 number. Electric soldering iron of 60 watts, 250 volts and 50 Hz, 1 number. Blow lamp of 1 liter capacity, 1 number. Tongs, 300 mm, 1 number. Sheet steel tray, 150 into 150 into 20 mm, 1 number. File, that is flat bastard, 150 mm, 1 number. Procedure. Task 1. Solder copper conductor joints. Select a 60 watts 250 volt AC 50 Hz soldering iron and ensure that the iron has no physical damage. Check the bit to see whether the surface is smooth and clean. When the bit becomes sufficiently hot, apply a small quantity of resin coated solder and tin the bit. Keep the soldering iron bit on the joint and heat it for soldering. When the joint is heated, keep the resin coated solder on the joint and allow it to melt. Use the cotton cloth to wipe off the excess solder from the surface of the joint. When it is still hot, allow the joint to cool naturally. Do not blow air for cooling. Task 2. Solder a lug to a copper conductor. Collect 30 amps cable lug. Copper cable 7 bar 1.06 or 7 bar 0.914, that is 6 square millimeter of 250 millimeter length. Blow lamp. Matchbox. Cotton cloth. Solder stick. Tray. And flux. Clean the inner and outer surfaces of the 30 amps cable. Add about 2 mm to the marking. Remove the insulation from the cable and clean the strands. Wrap a cloth or cotton tape on the insulation of the cable to a length of 30 mm and wet it with water. Light the blow lamp and let it emit a blue flame. Apply a thin coat of flux to the cable end. Tin the cable end by monitoring the blow lamp on the solder stick. Apply a small quantity of flux inside the lug socket. Tin the lug by melting solder stick to fill the socket and pour the molten solder in the tray. Apply some flux to the cable end and socket interior. Fill up the socket of the lug with molten solder. Monitor the blow lamp flame on the socket. Insert the cable in the socket and hold the cable vertically. Remove the blow lamp and hold the cable and socket without shaking.